The first thing you need to get into Client Access is your account number. Let me show you how it works. Let's start at the Meekum Group website. On the top menu bar, let's click on Client Access. On this screen, click Enroll in Client Access. Type in your information, including your account number. You're going to create a login ID and password, but be sure to keep that in a safe place. If it's a joint account, each account holder will need to go through this process. Don't forget to click Agree to Terms and Conditions and then click Next. Once you're in Client Access, go to Account Services and Client Tools, and you can set up delivery preferences for your accounts. Many of our clients like to receive statements and tax documents through a paper document and everything else online, so you can set your individual preferences on this page. Be sure to select for each account. Another tool inside Client Access is the Vault. Watch the next video and Tracy's going to show you how it works.